All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Southern Motor Company. I'm Chad, and you got it, that's Chris.
I'm Chris.
Yeah. So we're having a little fun today, and we're going to be showing you a 2006 Audi TT Roadster. So stay with us.
40,000 miles on it.
40,000 miles.
Let's
actually
round up to 50. It's actually got 49,000.
49,000. So stay with us on this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. All right, everybody, so Chris is going to go ahead and get the vehicle cranked up and show you how the top works and all that. And while he's doing that, I'm going to walk around and kind of show you the actual vehicle, and then we're going to actually get in and take it for a test drive so you can see what this little car is all about. So Chris, tell us a little bit about the Audi TT Roadster here. What kind of motor do we got under the hood?
1.8 liter turbo.
Is it front wheel, rear wheel?
Drive.
Okay, so not the Quattro.
From your Beetles, things of that nature.
Okay, and it's got leather interior.
Power top, heated seats. It's actually a half power top. Let me show you.
Okay, a half power top. And the top is in great shape, everybody.
Look right here.
Yeah?
I think I did this right. You push this, you release that.
There you go.
Push it back just a hair.
Right.
And I think you take it over from here.
That's correct. And that top drops right on down in the rear back here, nice and clean, super easy. As you saw, I mean, less than 15 seconds to drop the top on it.
Good music.
Yeah, so it's got a Bose stereo system, everybody. Also, you have your HID headlights in the front, silver paint. It's really just a fun, clean convertible. Great price on it. And again, to me, what's so special about this particular car is the low mileage at 49,000. Wow, take a look at it. There you go. I mean, look at that clean little TT right here today at Southern Motor Company. All right, everybody, so here it is from this angle. The car actually is in great shape, though, as far as the exterior body is concerned. No dents, no dings, no major scratches or anything like that. Also, if you'll notice, the headlights are in great shape. They're not oxidized. You know, they look really nice and clean. You got your alloy wheels on here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the tires for a minute. These are 225/45 series tires wrapped onto a 17-inch alloy wheel. Plenty of tread in there. Fingers are getting down nice and deep. That definitely will cover up Abraham Lincoln's head a little bit if you took a penny and put it in there, so that's good to see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Of course, it's got the ebony, like I said earlier, a Bose stereo in the car. I'm gonna turn the music down for just a moment so we don't get any copyright strikes on YouTube. But automatic transmission does have the sequential sport shift right there. So you got all that. Leather seats are in good shape. No rips, no tears. You know, this right here is usually a common spot on leather interiors to get worn, and this is actually in really nice shape. As you can see, no discoloration or anything. Just normal leather interior on a car with this type of age. Got the heated seats, so it's got the cold weather pack. And again, as you can tell right there, 49,555 on the mileage. So not too bad on a little Audi TT convertible, the Roadster as they would call it. See if I can open up the trunk here for just a minute. But before we open up the trunk, actually, let's go ahead and take a look under the hood of the car. There we go. So there's under the hood. Let you have a listen. Sounds just like it should. V5 turbo. But very clean little vehicle. Super clean car. All your lights work great. Shocks holding up the hood. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Also, windshield's in good shape. No rock chips on it. No cracks. Wiper blades seem to be in good shape, so that's a positive. See if we can open this up. Sometimes they have a little button under here. This one doesn't. Those are just the lights under there. But take a quick look. All right. And sit inside the car. I'm 6'1", plenty of leg room, of course. Got a little storage down there. This opens up, got your CD player right there. Now being an 06, it's not gonna have your USBs and all that, but it does have a 12 volt, an ashtray. Then this opens up here. There's your trunk button there, gas button right there to do that. Convertible top here, cup holders there. All right, let's go take a look in the trunk. And there's your trunk. Actually pretty roomy. I mean, not a big trunk, but hey, enough space to throw some luggage in there, groceries and whatnot. To be honest with you, it's a good bit of trunk space for a vehicle that's a convertible. A lot of cars that are convertibles, you know, the convertible top actually takes up room in the trunk. When Audi made this car, that wasn't the case, because as you can see, the convertible top sits right there. All right, everybody, let's take her for a quick spin. Just right around the block so you can see how she runs. Steering feels good. Okay. Not bad. All right, let's zip her down the road. Turbo feels good. There you go. You know, it's actually pretty quiet on the inside, even with the top down. The wind, it just feels really great. I'm liking that. But you know, it's not overly windy. The engine feels good. All right. Let's see how it feels when we're turning. Steering feels great. Just kind of zip her around a little bit. I'm driving with one hand. I mean, power steering feels phenomenal. Turning radius is really nice on this car, as you can see. I mean, it's just a fun, small car to drive. It really is. The Audi TT, it's just like the perfect, you know, small convertible car to have at the house to go out and have a little fun on the weekends in. Or zip it around, you know, throughout the day. It can be a great daily driver for somebody as well. You know, it gets pretty decent fuel economy because it doesn't have a very large engine at a 1.8 liter with the turbo. And plenty of get up. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gas down a little bit and let you see how the acceleration is. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Felt nice, I'm telling you, I like it. And again, I mean, to find an Audi TT with this kind of low mileage on it, I think you're doing really well, especially for the price that we're asking, just a little bit over 10K. You know, if you need the vehicle shipped to your house, if you live out of town, don't stress it. We're more than welcome to get vehicles shipped and have it brought to you. So thanks for watching with me today. Again, I'm Chad with Southern Motor Company, and you saw Chris earlier. He's the owner of the business. Please stop by and see us. We'd love to work with you and help you find the exact convertible or sports car you're looking for. Have a great day. As always, like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube. And come and see us. We got plenty of vehicles on ground to show you. We always keep some convertibles out here. Give us a call at 843-277-2983. And visit us online at southernmotorscosc.com. You can go right there, click on Carfax reports. Any information you need is available on our website. Thanks for watching. See you soon.